कांग्रेस जनरल सेक्रेटरी और रुकन पार्लियामेंट प्रियंका गांधी ने हुकूमत और वज़ीर-ए-आज़म नरेंद्र मोदी को शदीद तनकीद का निशाना बनाते हुए कहा कि जमहूरियत की तारीख में शायद ही कभी ऐसा देखा गया हो कि बरसर इख्तिदार जमात के अरकान पार्लियामेंट खुद बाहर खड़े होकर एहतजाज कर रहे हैं। उन्होंने इल्जाम आयद किया कि गुज़िश्ता चंद पार्लिमानी इजलास से हुकूमत मुसलसल पार्लियामेंट की कार्रवाई को चलने नहीं दे रही है और वज़ीर-ए-आज़म नरेंद्र मोदी को एक कमजोर और बुज़दिल वज़ीर-ए-आज़म उन्होंने करार दिया। प्रियंका गांधी ने मजीद कहा कि वज़ीर-ए-आज़म मुल्क की हर कामयाबी का सहरा तो अपने सर लेते हैं, लेकिन गुज़िश्ता 10 साल में 152 सवालिया पर्चे लीक होने के बावजूद किसी एक को भी सजा नहीं मिल सकी। उन्होंने जोर देकर कहा कि अगर वज़ीर-ए-आज़म हर कामयाबी के जिम्मेदार हैं तो आज मुल्क में जो खराब सूरत हाल पैदा हो रही है, इसकी तमाम तर जिम्मेदारी भी उन्हीं पर आयद होती है।
की कमजोरी देखी है आपने? कभी देखा है इस हमारे लोकतंत्र की पूरी हिस्ट्री में, इतिहास में, कि सरकार के एमपी बाहर खड़े होकर प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं? और कितने सत्रों से ये चल रहा है, चला ही नहीं पा रहे हैं। बाहर जो हो रहा है देखिए, कमजोर है, एकदम कायर है। I mean, what is this? Are we living in a democracy? Think about it. Children are protesting. They're all young. Think about it. They've cut all the internet. What are they doing? They're not terrorists. Their parents will be worried. Their families will be worried. They can't contact anyone. They're putting tear gas on them. They're beating them. What kind of democracy is this? And why aren't you people speaking up? Why aren't you speaking up? Why are you constantly asking me only the questions which the government wants you to ask me? Are you asking them anything? Have you asked their ministers? Have you asked how is the Prime Minister tweeting this morning that he cares for children when last night he's tear gassed them? Last night he's had them beaten up. Who's responsible? He takes credit for going to Mars. He takes credit for every achievement of this nation, which is the achievement of our youth and the achievement of our people. He takes credit, doesn't it? Doesn't he? So now's the time for him to take responsibility. Now is the time for him to take responsibility for his actions. It is him who is getting people beaten up. Under his nose, there are 152 papers have leaked in 10 years. 152 papers have leaked. Not one conviction, zero convictions. Zero convictions. Under whose nose? Who's responsible? If Modi ji is responsible for us going to Mars, if Modi ji is responsible for every achievement that every Indian makes, whether it's in the Olympics or in the Asian Games, then Modi ji is responsible for what is happening today. Modi ji is responsible for the fact that our youth feels there's no future. And Modi ji is responsible if thousands of children are demonstrating and he's cut off the internet and he's tear gassing them and he's having them lathi charge. If something happens to even one of them, it is his responsibility.